Wit videos. Wit videos.
Hi everyone, today we are talking about a kitchen essential, the baking tray. Whether you're a professional baker or a home cook, a baking tray is a must-have for any kitchen. Types of baking trays. There are several types of baking trays, including metal, glass, ceramic, and silicone. Each material has its own unique features and benefits, so it's important to choose the right one for your needs. Size matters. Baking trays come in different sizes, so make sure to choose the right size for your oven and the amount of food you're baking. Non-stick versus regular. Some baking trays have a non-stick coating, which makes cleaning up a breeze. However, regular baking trays can be seasoned over time to create a non-stick surface. Versatility. Baking trays can be used for more than just baking. You can use them to roast vegetables, cook meats, and even make a sheet pan dinner. Proper care. Keep your baking tray in top condition. Make sure to clean it after each use and avoid using metal utensils, as they can scratch the surface. That's all for today's tips on baking trays. Remember, choosing the right baking tray can make a big difference in your baking and cooking experience. Happy baking! Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.